12 Healthiest Foods with No Carbs and No Sugar Part 2. Are you weary of always keeping track of carbs and sugar in your meals? Let's prioritize healthy eating by opting for foods low in carbs and sugars. You might be unfamiliar with some of these choices, but they're certainly worth incorporating into your diet. They can contribute to your overall health and well-being, promoting a happier lifestyle. Just a gentle reminder, this video is intended solely for educational purposes. If you have any health concerns, please consult your doctor for personalized advice. 1. Poultry and turkey. Poultry like turkey is a nutritious option low in carbs and sugars, yet abundant in high-quality protein, vital vitamins, and minerals. Introducing turkey and other poultry into your meal plan offers numerous health advantages, such as supporting muscle development and repair, bolstering bone and skin health, and facilitating weight loss and management. Given their low carb and sugar content, they're an ideal selection for individuals aiming to sustain a healthy, well-rounded diet. 2. Cucumbers. Cucumbers, commonly recognized for their subtle taste, are technically classified as fruits, belonging to the same botanical family as watermelons and pumpkins. However, they're commonly regarded as vegetables. With their high water content, cucumbers serve as a hydrating and revitalizing addition to your diet. Moreover, they boast a rich nutrient profile, including vitamin K, vital for blood clotting, and vitamin A, crucial for maintaining optimal vision. Additionally, cucumbers are abundant in antioxidants, supporting immune function and promoting radiant skin. Their fiber content aids in preventing constipation and fostering digestive well-being. Enjoy cucumbers in various ways, such as sliced in salads, pickled, or blended into refreshing beverages. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil stands out as a cooking oil low in carbs and sugars, yet rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. These MCTs are a type of fat swiftly absorbed and metabolized by the body, offering rapid energy without causing blood sugar spikes. Due to this quality, coconut oil is favored by individuals adhering to low-carb or ketogenic diets. Beyond its role as a quick energy source, coconut oil potentially offers other health advantages, including enhanced cholesterol levels and cognitive function. However, as with any high-fat food, moderation is key, and it should be consumed as part of a well-rounded diet. 4. Olives. Olives boast a wealth of healthy fats and antioxidants, offering versatility in consumption, whether added to salads, pasta dishes, or enjoyed as a standalone snack. With their exceptionally low carb and sugar content, olives emerge as an outstanding option for those adhering to ketogenic diets. Moreover, they serve as a plentiful source of beneficial fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which contribute to heart health and inflammation reduction. Additionally, olives are rich in antioxidants, guarding the body against oxidative stress and potentially lowering the risk of chronic ailments like cancer and Alzheimer's disease. 5. Chocolate. Dark chocolate, rich in cocoa, abounds with flavonols renowned for their potential to lower blood pressure, diminish heart disease risk, and enhance insulin sensitivity. These flavonols also possess antioxidant properties, mitigating oxidative stress and bolstering overall health. Some even hail cocoa as a superfruit due to its remarkable benefits. Nonetheless, many chocolate products are laden with carbs, posing a challenge to low-carb diets. To gratify chocolate cravings without compromising health objectives, opt for dark chocolate with a high cocoa content. A 1-ounce serving of 70% cocoa chocolate contains 13 grams of carbs, accompanied by 4 grams of fiber, 12 grams of fat, and roughly 3 grams of protein. When selecting dark chocolate, scrutinize labels attentively and choose brands sweetened with low-calorie alternatives. While chocolate is undeniably enticing, it should be savored in moderation as an occasional treat. So, indulge in a bit of dark chocolate, but exercise mindfulness regarding portions and consumption frequency. 6. Green beans. Green beans, often perceived as vegetables, are actually legumes, brimming with essential nutrients such as fiber, protein, vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, and potassium. This nutrient-rich profile makes them a highly beneficial inclusion in your diet. These nutrients offer a myriad of health advantages. Fiber aids in maintaining digestive health and cholesterol levels, protein is vital for tissue repair and growth, vitamin C enhances immune function and skin health, vitamin K supports blood clotting, and magnesium and potassium contribute to blood pressure regulation and muscle function. Despite their legume classification, green beans share similarities with vegetables and can be enjoyed in various preparations, including steaming, boiling, roasting, or sautéing, adding both delectable flavor and nutritional value to any meal. 7. Garlic. Garlic stands out as a versatile ingredient, free from carbs and sugar, making it an ideal choice for low-carb diets. Incorporating minced garlic into sautéed vegetables, meat dishes, or roasted veggies enhances flavor profiles. Furthermore, garlic serves as a rich source of manganese, vitamin C, and vitamin B6, alongside trace amounts of calcium, potassium, and iron. Extensive research has explored garlic's potential health benefits, including blood pressure and cholesterol reduction, immune system enhancement, and anti-inflammatory properties. Moreover, garlic may possess antibacterial and antiviral properties, offering natural relief for colds and respiratory ailments. To retain its nutritional potency, it's recommended to consume garlic raw or lightly cooked. 8. Apricots. Apricots, a delectable fruit characterized by its small, yellow, and tangy nature, feature a stone at their core. Despite this, they are replete with essential vitamins and minerals. Similar to many fruits, they boast minimal carbohydrate content but are abundant in nutrients like vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients collaborate to bolster various aspects of well-being. Vitamin A supports optimal vision, while vitamin C serves as an antioxidant, safeguarding cells from harm. Potassium aids in blood pressure regulation and heart health maintenance. Meanwhile, the fiber content in apricots fosters digestion and induces feelings of satiety, making them a commendable choice for weight-conscious individuals. Incorporating apricots into your dietary regimen provides a delightful and nourishing boost to your daily intake. 9. Sardines. Sardines, a variety of oily fish commonly consumed whole, bones and all, are immensely nutritious. Despite their small size, they are densely packed with essential nutrients such as calcium, selenium, and vitamin B12. These nutrients offer numerous health benefits, ranging from promoting strong bones to fortifying the immune system and enhancing energy levels. Furthermore, sardines serve as a rich protein source, rendering them a valuable component of a well-rounded diet. When seeking a convenient and nutrient-rich food option, consider adding sardines to your plate for a satisfying meal. 10. Tomatoes. While technically categorized as fruits, tomatoes are frequently perceived as vegetables. These vibrant and succulent fruits boast an array of vitamins and minerals, notably vitamin C and potassium, vital for overall health. Vitamin C fortifies the immune system and fosters skin health, while potassium aids in blood pressure regulation and facilitates proper nerve and muscle function. With their versatile flavor and texture, tomatoes can be savored in various culinary applications, including salads, sandwiches, and sauces. 11. Onions. Onions serve as a versatile culinary addition, enriching dishes with flavor and complexity. Beyond their delicious taste, they offer a multitude of health advantages. High in fiber, onions promote healthy digestion and induce a feeling of fullness. Moreover, their abundance of antioxidants shields cells from harm inflicted by free radicals. Additionally, onions contain numerous anti-inflammatory compounds that aid in mitigating inflammation within the body. Not only do onions enhance the taste of meals, but they also contribute to overall well-being. 12. Almonds. Almonds stand out as a nutrient-rich, low-carb nut, providing a plethora of health benefits. Abundant in essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin E, magnesium, riboflavin, copper, phosphorus, and manganese. Almonds also serve as an exceptional protein source, delivering 6 grams per serving. Research indicates that integrating almonds into your diet can aid in weight management by curbing hunger and reducing appetite. Almonds boast versatility and can be enjoyed as a standalone snack or incorporated into various dishes. Furthermore, they can be utilized as an ingredient to produce low-carb alternatives like almond flour, facilitating the creation of delicious and healthier versions of favorite recipes such as pancakes, muffins, and crackers. Enhance your diet by incorporating almonds and harness the multitude of benefits they offer. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.